They said you can wash this in a standard size washer. I'm gonna put it on my hands. Oh my God, y'all, I cannot believe I'm doing. Woo.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
To the woman I'm becoming, I see you, I honor you, I'm learning to trust.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite sister girl, TONYA Latrice. You guys, I'm really excited because we are back with another home decor haul, y'all, and I'm really excited because we are about to add some warmth and coziness to our living room here. Okay, so we're gonna do a bit of a living room update. We're gonna add some, you know, like I said, something a little bit warm and cozy to the flooring, and I'm really excited about that. Also, we need to do a Sunday reset. I've been moving around a lot. I have not really been able to deep clean, you know, and organize the living room exactly how I want to. So, you know, like I said, it's just a little bit of dusty going on up in here and I want to change that. Let's go ahead and get into this home decor haul, you guys. I'm super excited to go ahead and just start cleaning up everything. You guys, so we have a new rug and I am really excited to go ahead and put it in the living room. You guys, we have one of these same type of rugs in our kitchen as well. So I think this color here is just going to be beautiful, and to kind of also separate the two rooms, because you guys know that when we moved into our dream loft apartment, again, it's a loft, so it's a really long space. And so I feel like two different color type of rugs would just, what is this bag for, I wonder? Oh, it's a storage bag for when you want to store. You can put it in here and vacuum seal it. Very nice. See here, y'all, I'm really excited to see this. This is a 9x12 rug, you guys, so it should be a really nice size for the living room here. Now, y'all, I'm a little leery, right? Or should I say, I have been wondering if you can put this into the washer, because this is one of those machine washable rugs. Now, as you guys can see, this is a pretty big rug, okay? And so I don't know, y'all, it looks like, can you really fit this in a regular size washer? Because they said you could put this in a regular size washer and keep it clean, to get it clean. Y'all, it's brand new, but I don't know. I feel like being a daredevil, right? I feel like just taking some mustard, putting it on my hands, slapping it on this rug, and throwing it in the washer. Because, I mean, don't y'all want to know if this is truly a machine washable rug? And I feel like, right, since it's new, we should just go ahead and test the theory with this here new rug, honey, and see how that is. But you guys, look at that. It is gorgeous. Oh my God, and it's gonna be so beautiful in the living room, up against that brick wall and the hardwood floors, you guys. Oh, it's gonna be gorgeous. And this sucker is long, okay? But they said you can wash this in a standard size washer. So let's grab some mustard, honey, put it on our hands, slap it on there, and then we're gonna throw this bad boy in the washer, okay, y'all? Y'all, I'm taking y'all with me. I'm scared. Oh, Lord. You guys, I'm super scared to do this, but, babe, don't cut on the water. Are you gonna do this too? You wanna have a part? You wanna have a handprint?
Let's just put it on your hand and we just smush it against
Okay.
both our hands. And
Y'all, mustard straight out the freaking refrigerator. Put it on my hands. Oh my God, y'all, I cannot believe I'm doing this. Put it on baby's hands. I'm just wondering if this is even gonna work. I'm just gonna take, like, here.
Let's just do it.
I'm so scared. Oh my God, God, y'all, I cannot believe. I hope I did not ruin this. Ah! Okay, that's it. That's all oh my God, I cannot believe I just opened that brand new rug and put some mustard on it. I'm scared. Okay, you guys, so that scared the living daylights out of me, okay? But we're gonna go ahead, take it to our standard washer. We do not have a washer that you have to, that has, what is it called? I don't know what type, but it's like the standard kind where you just have the little piece in the middle. Girl, I'll show you. Come on, let's head on over there. This is crazy, but let's get the washer going. So as you guys can see, we have a pretty standard washer and dryer, okay? Get the water going, girl. I'm really scared, so we're gonna go ahead and add a decent amount of laundry detergent. I'm using 5. Gonna use 2 of these. We wanna make sure we get those mustard stains out. So I just wanna make sure, okay, that it's gonna come out, child, because we gotta make sure, y'all. Little fabric softener. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Let's see. It's so heavy. So far, so good. We are getting it in there. That went in pretty good. This side over there is still, for the most part, empty. So we just have to finish getting it all in there. But so far, so good. You guys, I remember when I picked up this Beyonce People Special Edition, the Cowboy Quarter Edition. Y'all, I had to run out. I had baby taking me around to look for this magazine, you guys, but it is so good because they have some amazing photos of her like in concert and everything. Y'all, I love this magazine. Like, we get into that.
Guys, you know you better watch out. Some girls are only about. Some guys are only that thing. Oh, we're trying to let it go. Trying to keep my eyes closed. Trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. For a way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out. But it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me.
Okay, you guys, so it is done. Okay, the machine washable rug is done, y'all. We're about to go ahead and put it in the dryer. It is heavy, so we're gonna need Boo the Builder for that. Also, you guys, we're gonna, while she's pulling it out, we're gonna be checking to see if that stain came out. Okay? You can, so Let's see how long does it take to dry this machine washable rug.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Guys, it is time to get the rug out the dryer, and I am so scared. So I can tell you guys right now, we did have to, you know, turn it inside out and things like that, and we did let it go for 2 complete cycles, and so it should be dry. It looks amazing. It is extremely soft, you guys, but let's go ahead and put it into the living room. You guys, so this is where we put our hands with the mustard, and as you can see, there is not one stain on this rug, okay? But you guys, I can tell you it is so soft from putting it in the washer. It is 100% dry, you guys. It looks amazing. So let's go ahead and lay it out. We have to move a little bit of some furniture around because, as you guys can see, the rug is huge, but we want to put it in this area right here. So let's go ahead and lay it down. Oh my.
Baby, I love you so, but you don't feel like I do. Tell me, what can I do?
You guys, the rug is so soft. Oh my God.
You did me wrong. I thought we were really down. I thought we were down. Now you say you want me, girl. Make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long. I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby. Got me twisted, girl. You got me twisted over you. I got what you need right.
Oh my goodness, you guys. I am obsessed, okay, with this rug. It is, baby. It is becoming more and more spectacular. Like, I am just in love with it. I love it. The rug's so soft.
Yes, it is.
It is so soft. I love how soft it is.
No wrinkles right off the back.
No wrinkles right off the back. I know they say you're supposed to allow 24 hours for it to lay,
But if you wash
but if you wash it, dry it, no wrinkles, lay flat right away, first day. Can't beat that. Cannot beat that. Okay, you guys, again, I want to say a huge thank you to PureCozy for sending over this amazing machine washable Persian rug, you guys. It is so luxurious, okay? It really elevated our space. It is so comfortable. It is so soft. And I must say, I was a little skeptical when it came to what's it gonna be able to get out the mustard stain. And baby, you know mustard is a very hard stain to get out, and it did, you guys. It looks absolutely amazing. I absolutely love it, okay? And again, I want to say thank you to PureCozy for sending it over to us, you guys. I will be sure to leave the link in the description box for this rug if it is something that you want to go pick up for any space in your home, you guys, because it definitely elevated the space. And if I have a coupon code, I will leave that down in the description box as well, you guys. But yes, honey, I am 100%, oh my God, you guys, obsessed with this new living room refresh. It feels so warm, so cozy, you guys. And honestly, I cannot wait to just kind of like walk on this every single day, honey, because it just feels so good on your feet, you guys. So again, if you want the rug, it's gonna be linked down in the description box below. And yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this home decor haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next home decor vlog. Love y'all, bye.
Living without you. Teach me